In this video, I have a 2008 Chrysler Town & Country, and I'm going to show you how to remove the front headlamp assembly. In my situation, we got some vehicle damage to this car, and I need to replace this whole assembly for the light. The front right side is fine, so I won't be changing that one, only the front left side, in addition to the hood and the bumper, the grille. Looks like this radiator is bent, might need to be replaced as well if there's a leak. So this is how you get the light assembly out though. The bolts you're going to be removing are 8mm, and I just have them on an adapter on a driver. So I'll start pulling those out. There's 3 right here located on the top. You can also use a flathead screwdriver, as you can see. Okay, so I got those 3 screws out. So, you know, typically when yours isn't shattered, just kind of comes out. Mine is in multiple pieces, so. Okay, so you can see that there are 2, my light is broken in half. So yours will look more like this. And you can see that each side has a wire kit going to it that you're gonna need to disconnect. The left side from this perspective is the headlight, and the right side is utilized as the blinker. So we need to get these 2 off. I'm going to start with the headlight side. Okay, this is a close-up of the headlight wiring assembly. So you're going to get a flathead screwdriver and then start prying this up. It's so tricky with one hand, but I'll get there. Pry it up, and you can see that these plastic pieces are actually splitting around this prong. Be very gentle, you don't want to crack this stuff. These older vehicles, these plastic pieces are brittle. And then continue to pull upward, and then disconnects just like that. So here's what it looks like. Looks like a U, 2 prongs, they meet in the middle and they have a split. So they do have some give, so that it can go around that prong. So this is disconnected now. So this piece, last thing holding this on is this plastic threaded, I don't know what to call these. Let me know in the comments if you know the name. It's a plastic little prong. So I'm gonna pull that through at an angle, disconnects it. So this part of the assembly is done. So now I'm to the blinker side, and I'll show you how to get this apart. Okay, and then on the blinker side, you have this assembly. You just need to turn clockwise 90 degrees and it pops right off. So I'll set that down, get rid of this. And now you have your blinker bulb is in here, which I might need to replace. This looks like the coating is peeling off too. This is old, so I'll probably just replace it too. But I will keep this in. It looks like the wires are connected inside. So I think this bulb does work. So I will keep it in just to test things out. One more last reminder I wanted to point out. On the back of the headlamp, there is this rubber piece that connects to, this is where it drains water out if water ever gets in. So this may not come on the assembly that you have if you're replacing. So make sure to get that off, because you might need that. Okay, and that is how you remove the headlamp assembly on the driver's side front on a 2007 Chrysler Town & Country. Hope that was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.